Welcome to Redbud,
3, 2,
Michigan!
1.
The whole world watches as the Olympics of motocross is descending upon Buchanan, Michigan, battling for the win on the best dirt on earth. This is the Redbud Motocross of Nations. Racing teams from 34 countries have traveled here to compete for their country. Energy pounds through the crowd as 60,000 people cheer for their team. History is made once again as Team USA takes first place. The crowd rushes the track to celebrate motocross on the best dirt on earth.